Here they are.
Okay, the helicopter's calling in. Mercy Air helicopter service.
We're currently inbound, showing an ETA of about 1 minute. Ready for an LZ brief whenever you have it.
All right, Mercy Air, affirmative. You got about a 4,000-foot broken ceiling. Winds are very light out of the east. Your landing zone is just west of the car crash, which is on the grass field near the baseball diamond.
Copy that, sir. West of the car crash.
That's the baseball diamond
we'll
over
go
there.
ahead and take a look, and we'll let you know once we're on our final approach. Do you guys have any ground winds? And if so, what is the speed and direction?
Ground winds are light and variable, nothing significant.
This is Darren Myers speaking.
Overhead obstruction.
That's affirmative. To the east of your landing zone are palm trees, and to the south are palm trees. That's the only obstruction. Power lines are below the palm trees. No other power lines.
Copy that, sir. We'll let you know once we're on our final approach.
Copy that.
That would
So
be
Mercy Air will
Captain Darren Myers.
I guess the person wasn't that sick. Let's talk about what you guys saw. 2-car crash that was staged in front of in your school parking lot. 1 drunk driver, 1 dead person, and 4 other injured. I'll let you in on a little secret. One of the injured girls is going to die at the hospital. So we have 2 dead people, 1 DUI driver, and 3 injured. So that makes it manslaughter for the drunk driver. In California, if he's had a prior DUI, that makes it murder. Just like shooting somebody with a gun. Murder. So we'll prepare the collision reports, documentations, photographs, all for trial.
We just updated our coordinates, and now we're showing ETA of 1.5 minutes.
Copy, 1.5 minutes. All of that documentation is used by the district attorneys, investigators, and the courts to prosecute the drunk driver. The families also get to see that documentation, the investigative reports of photographs and diagrams. So that's what they get to see. They get to see the pictures of the dead body. They get to see the pictures of the cars, the crash, the carnage, skid marks, witness statements, and all that information is put together. The family gets to see that too. And that's the last thing they get. That's their goodbye to their son and their daughter, is that report. And we're going to land a helicopter right behind us. It's going to take this last patient to the hospital. We use helicopters because they're pretty quick, and we hopefully can save the life of one of the patients. They're going to land on your softball field behind us.
Okay, we can hear the helicopter coming in. Let's see if we can pan over and pick it up. There it is. Circling the baseball field. This is a Mercy Air medical helicopter service. Walking over to pick up the landing. somebody stepping out. Looks like we got two, pilot maybe and a medic coming this way. No, the pilot's still in the helicopter. So we got two medics coming this way. Here comes the body. The injured person. Taking a look at her right now. Got a cameraman in there because they're putting the video together for the assembly tomorrow for the kids here when they have the funeral for the deceased student. One died at the scene, another will die. Of the two young ladies going to the hospital, one of them will not make it. Assessing the situation.